Have you ever experienced the frustration of a project gone wrong? Deadlines whoosh past quickly, budgets balloon out of control, clients start to question your every move. It's a nightmare scenario for any business. Missed deadlines create a ripple effect of negative consequences. Your team's morale takes a significant hit, trust erodes between you and your clients. The reputation you've worked so hard to build starts to crumble. In today's fast-paced business world, time is money. Every delay translates into lost revenue and missed opportunities. The pressure is immense, and the need for a reliable solution is greater than ever. Tantrija was born from a desire to bring order to the chaos that often plagues businesses. We saw the need for a guiding hand to navigate the complexities of modern business environments. We understand the challenges businesses face in today's competitive landscape. From market fluctuations to internal hurdles, we are here to help you overcome them. Our mission is simple: to empower your vision with seamless execution. We provide the tools, strategies, and support you need to succeed. We are a team of passionate technologists, strategists, and creatives. Each member brings unique skills and perspectives to the table, ensuring a well-rounded approach to your projects. Our focus is on delivering exceptional results that exceed your expectations. We celebrate your successes as our own, and we are committed to continuous improvement. We believe in building long-term partnerships based on trust, transparency, and a shared commitment to success. Your goals become our goals. Forget the stress of miscommunication and missed deadlines. We prioritize clear communication and efficient project management to keep everything on track. With Tantrija, you gain a dedicated partner who is invested in your success. We offer personalized support tailored to your specific needs. We become an extension of your team, working tirelessly to bring your vision to life. Together, we can achieve extraordinary outcomes. At Tantrija, we don't just deliver projects, we deliver excellence and quality. Our approach is rooted in 3 core principles: precision, innovation, and timeliness. We meticulously plan every aspect of your project, leaving no room for ambiguity or errors. Our team embraces innovation, constantly seeking out cutting-edge technologies and strategies to give you a competitive edge. We understand the importance of deadlines. That's why we adhere to strict timelines, ensuring your project stays on track and within budget. With Tantrija, you can breathe easy knowing your project is in expert hands. Section 4. Our expertise, from Web3 to digital marketing. At Tantrija, we pride ourselves on being at the forefront of technological innovation and digital transformation. Tantrija offers a comprehensive suite of services designed to elevate your business to new heights. Our team of experts is dedicated to providing tailored solutions that meet your unique needs. Whether you need to establish a powerful online presence, develop a cutting-edge mobile app, or harness the transformative power of blockchain, we've got you covered. Our expertise spans across various domains to ensure your business stays ahead of the curve. Our services include Web3 and blockchain solutions, smart contracts, decentralized applications, dApps, NFTs, and more. Mobile app development, iOS, Android, and cross-platform solutions. Web development, custom websites, e-commerce platforms, and web applications. Digital marketing, SEO, social media marketing, content marketing, and paid advertising. Our digital marketing strategies are designed to increase your online visibility, drive traffic, and boost conversions. We use data-driven approaches to ensure your marketing campaigns are effective and impactful. No matter your industry or project scope, our team has the expertise and experience to deliver exceptional results. Partner with Tantrija and watch your business thrive in the digital age. Section 5. The Tantrija Roadmap, your journey to success. This section is all about guiding you through the essential steps to achieve your business goals. Our process is meticulously designed to ensure clarity, collaboration, and ultimately, your complete satisfaction. We believe that a well-structured plan is the foundation of success. Here's how it works. Discovery. We listen intently to understand your vision, goals, and target audience. This initial phase is crucial for setting the right direction. Strategy. We develop a tailored roadmap that outlines the project scope, timelines, and budget. This strategic plan ensures that every step is aligned with your objectives. Design and development. Our creative team brings your vision to life with stunning designs and robust development. We focus on both aesthetics and functionality. Testing and deployment. We rigorously test every aspect of your project to ensure flawless functionality. This phase is critical to delivering a high-quality product. Support and maintenance. We provide ongoing support and maintenance to keep your project running smoothly. Our team is always ready to assist you with any issues. We believe in open and transparent communication throughout the entire process. This ensures that you are always informed and involved. You'll receive regular updates and have ample opportunity to provide feedback. Your input is invaluable to us and we make sure it shapes the final outcome.